Let us start with Amazon's barcode requirements. Any seller on Amazon, whether using FBA, where Amazon stores and ships your items, or FBM, where you manage your own storage and shipping, must provide a valid product ID for each product. This may be a standard GTIN, such as a UPC or EAN, or an approved GTIN exemption. Amazon's guidelines state that barcodes are used by FBA to identify and track inventory. Every single item sent to a fulfillment center must carry a barcode. Even if you are not using FBA, a valid product identifier is still required on the product listing. For products stored and shipped through FBA, you must use one of the following options: a manufacturer barcode, such as a UPC, EAN, JAN, or ISBN, or an Amazon barcode, also known as the FNSKU. There is also another option called the transparency barcode, which I will cover later. However, in practice, the most common choices are the manufacturer barcode and the Amazon barcode. A manufacturer barcode, such as a UPC, EAN, JAN, or ISBN, is the universal code you have seen on nearly every product. This is the code scanned at retail checkout counters. Every item in global retail requires its own unique barcode so that stores can distinguish between products. You can think of the barcode as similar to a social security number for a person or a vehicle identification number for a car. It is always unique. When you sell wholesale or arbitrage products, like Xbox consoles or Nike shoes, these already come with UPC barcodes on their packaging. Because these codes are standardized, the same Xbox console UPC is identical across the globe. By contrast, if you sell private label products, meaning your own branded items, those do not have UPCs by default. In that case, you need to purchase UPCs and add them to your product packaging, or if eligible, you may apply for a GTIN exemption. The Amazon barcode, or FNSKU, stands for Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit. This is a scannable code that Amazon uses solely within its fulfillment network to manage inventory. FNSKUs are not recognized outside of Amazon. If you try to scan one at a store like Costco or Walmart, it would not register. By default, Amazon tracks eligible inventory using the manufacturer barcode unless you manually change the barcode setting. This means that your inventory will be pulled together with other sellers offering the same product. For instance, if you sell an Xbox console using the manufacturer barcode, your inventory will be combined with units supplied by other sellers. If another seller sends in defective products, your customers might receive them, which could result in negative reviews that harm your account. To avoid this risk, you can opt to use the Amazon barcode, the FNSKU, which ensures that your inventory is tracked separately from that of other sellers. Amazon specifically states that its barcode must be applied to any product not being tracked with a manufacturer barcode. Regardless of whether your business model is wholesale, arbitrage, or private label, it is generally recommended to use the Amazon barcode, the FNSKU, to maintain control over your inventory.